So today we're looking at immigration routes that doesn't require sponsorship. We have previously talked about the global talent, and my focus today is on the tech industry. The tech industry, or the global talent in the tech industry, usually are for the brightest and the best around the world to come to UK to work. There are two main routes to the tech industry. There's a technical part and then the non-technical. But within that, we've got the leaders, who are the people that we call exceptional talent, and also emerging or potential leaders that we call exceptional promise. Within this, the law is very clear. There's a 3-year route and a 5-year route. But let me start with the technical applicants. So this normally will be programmers and coders and all those people who may be working in a non-technical organization, or people who are doing non-technical work like business roles in a technical organization. Just be mindful that the technical applicant must demonstrate proven technical expertise with the latest technologies in building, using, and deploying or exploiting a technology stack and building technical infrastructure. For the business people, it has to be business applicant must demonstrate a proven commercial investment or product expertise in building digital products or leading investment in significant digital businesses. Example of the business skills would be experience of leading a substantial VC, possibly investments over 25 million British pounds. Experience as a commercial or business lead in the growth, sales, and distribution strategy in a digital business. Experience of expanding or growing a significant product-led digital technology. Sector-specific experience, example, payment and infrastructure like fintech, international expansions in edtech, and solution and sales experts. These are the non-technical. The technical bits are people like the DevOps, SysOps, or development operators and systems operators, principal software engineers and development, experienced data scientists, data engineers, artificial engineers, natural language processing, and then machine learning expertise, AI, NLP, and all those things. Also hardware people, engineers, people who are experienced from front-end developers, operating system engineers. Exceptional promise applicants are likely to have less than 5 years, as I said. And then the leaders will have more than 5 years. But above all, there are 2 stages to this application. The first one is the endorsement process. And my advice to you is to make sure that at this time, you have all your portfolio ready. The portfolio will cover areas which you can show expertise in. And this will be twofold. Portfolio must come from you and from your previous employers. Usually will be your direct managers, line managers, but also it is preferable to have people who are either the overall bosses in the businesses who should write a personal statement, maximum of about 3 A4 sheets about you, in addition to your personal statement. That should talk about you, your contribution to technology, digital technology. It should be relevant to the application you're making, and it should deal with the following questions. For example, why do you want to come to the UK? What is your planned occupation in the UK? Bear in mind that you can be self-employed or you can be employed. In addition, you have to show that how your digital experience will benefit from your work in the UK. Example, this might include a technology advances that you've promoted in your work, or particular skill that you've done, either project management or anything that has to do with the digital technology. The activities that you will take part in directly, or you've previously taken part in directly or indirectly. Just remember that consultancy does not count in this. You need 3 letters of recommendations from 3 different well-established individuals who will have to acknowledge you as an expert in the digital technology field with detailed knowledge of your work over a period of 12 months or more, and supporting evidence, including evidence of the work that you've done. You also need 10 pieces of evidence in relation to the tech industry. When they come to making the decision, they will assess your eligibility, including the eligibility to qualify. They will look at your career path, your history, for example, any international reputation and impact of your work. They will also look at the strength of your statement. That's why I always said your statement must be strong and punchy, having all the evidence of the work that you've done before in the form of a CV. But please, just be careful. Your track record is important, so please put it in there. Your academic track record is important. Your salary level that you've earned before is also important. If you're an entrepreneur, your commercial impact in the tech industry is also key. My advice to you is to make sure that all the evidence you have are genuine and created by you. Don't copy stuff from the internet because that may affect you. I hope this will be helpful to you. But if you need advice about the tech industry specifically or the global talent generally, please do not hesitate to call BWF Solicitors and we'll be able to help you.